Hi, my name's Omar. I'm here with my 12th video based on artificial intelligence, and I think it's really interesting what artificial intelligence is. One of the questions that I'm here to answer is, what is artificial intelligence? And to me, artificial intelligence is what computers are now, what the internet, what Google is, what Siri is, for example. It's a computer that can help you come to an answer. For example, Siri, you can just hold down your button and ask it a question, and it'll start searching the internet to answer your question. Or even Google phones now has this, just you can talk to Google, and when you talk to Google, what happens is it'll look for the best answers that you can have. We're also getting GPS is artificial intelligence as well. You can type in a direction, and then it'll map it out for you, and as you start going, it'll tell you when to turn left, when to turn right, when to stop. It's the future. It's something that's pretty amazing and kind of scary at the same time. We don't want to turn into iRobot. That'd be pretty bad. Some examples of artificial intelligence. The biggest one I can think of is Watson. We had a video that we watched, Watson, and it was a supercomputer that pretty much went on Jeopardy and against two guys who had won. And in the beginning, it was a little rough for Watson. It was slow to get the answers right or get them wrong, and then towards the end, it just started destroying the competition. It was interesting to see how humans were going against the computer and how well they were doing. Some other examples of artificial intelligence, I mean, the ones I can think of that are pretty basic, almost primitive, are with the military, just targeting systems, the missiles when they launch and all that. I would think that's an artificial intelligence of itself. And then the impacts that this could have on us, I mean, they're endless. I remember the video we watched last week, they were talking about having everything in the cloud and artificial and the leaps that technology would take. If we actually have artificial intelligence, learning things would be so much easier. We'd have the ability to figure out exactly what is wrong with us, diagnose ourselves, be able to plan out trips better. For example, they were talking with the quantum computer that optimization is the key thing for it. So with optimization, what happened, they gave the example of planning a trip through South America and all the different variables that go in that. Cheapest tickets, you want to visit 20 cities, routes, food, places to stay, places to visit, and all that. Those are some things that are positive out of it. There's also, I remember last week they were talking about how they could have a machine for surgeries that the doctor could be anywhere in the world, and the machine would be able to replicate whatever the doctor's saying or doing. We'll have cars that drive themselves, so there'll be less accidents, less casualties, safer roads, all that. Some negative things, though, is that we have all this technology that, in a way, is very smart, and then we ourselves become dumber or lazy because we have something that will work for us, so we don't have to actually put in the time and the effort that we do now in order to learn something or get something done. Or we could have an invasion of, like iRobot, just all technology go haywire, it goes Terminator, we could all die. But I don't think that'll happen. But those are some things that could happen. Or just if one country develops a technology ahead of another one, then if it falls into the wrong hands, then we have big problems. War everywhere, a different style of warfare that nobody's ever seen before, which will make things very difficult. But overall, I think artificial intelligence is something very, very possible, and it's coming around quickly, and we'll see it soon, and it'll be to our benefit, depending on how we use it.